Hi guys, Nathan here from the photography team. In this quick video I'm going to be showing you how to update your Sony firmware, in particular the A7 III. If you're not aware, Sony has just released firmware version 2 for the Sony A7 III, so I'm in the process of updating my cameras, so I thought I'd show you how you go about doing that. Before we start, if you're not aware, we do make rope camera straps. This is a new version, which is the orange. We do these in orange, black, red, khaki green, and they're all available on our website for a rather cheap price, and we will ship those worldwide. Now let's get back to the video in hand, updating your Sony A7 III. First thing we need to do before we start is go into the camera settings and switch the USB connection to mass storage. Okay, so what we need to do is go over to the Sony website. I'll leave a link in the description below. And obviously this is the link for the Sony A7 Mark III, and obviously I'm using a Mac, so if you're using Windows, the procedure will be very similar. First thing we need to do is obviously download the system software. This will include a update tool and also the firmware version 2. Once we've done that, we'll go to our download. We will open the file that we've just downloaded. So let's open the update setting tool. You'll get a warning obviously to say that this has obviously been downloaded through the internet, but we know it's a safe file because it's been downloaded from Sony. And again, the tool wants to make changes, so I have to confirm that. We then get a pop-up box which says connect the camera via the USB cable. Now, what you may find is at this stage you get various warnings, and the Apple system won't let you make the update. But if you just scroll through the information here, you'll see that there are a few steps that you just need to go through in relation to the system security settings. They're very straightforward. I've already updated the camera, so I've gone through this process, so that's why it's allowing me to do it straight off with the second camera. But if you just read through that, that's quite simple, straightforward. If you have an issue, then obviously just let us know in the comments box below and we will try and help you. Okay, so let's get back to the software tool. So what we'll do now is using the USB cable that came with the camera, we'll connect that up. So we'll obviously confirm OK. Now I found that the software opening box should open up on its own, but if it doesn't, if you just open up the download again and go to resources, and then we can click the system software update tool. Again, we get a warning. Okay. So it's telling me now, turn on the camera, select USB connection from the setup and change that to mass storage. Now that's what I said we need to do at the start, so we should have already done that. Connect, turn the camera on, connect the cable. And then we want to click next. Now on the back of the camera you'll now see that it says follow computer instructions. So looking at the app here, check the version. Obviously our current version is version 1.01 and we want to update to version 2, so we will then click next. Now the software here will now obviously reset the camera, it'll run the update, and it will obviously update the camera. Now this can take some time, so I'll just allow this to run through. What you do want to do before you run the update is make sure that your battery has at least 3 bars. What you don't want is the camera to run out of battery halfway through an update, because it can obviously cause problems. As you'll see now, it's telling me do not pull the USB cable out or turn off the camera, and you'll see a little green bar here which is confirming that the update is running. Now I will fast forward to when this is complete, because like I said before, it can take a little time. Okay, and once we're finished, we get a lovely notification there that says the update process has been completed, and the camera has restarted itself. So if we disconnect from the computer, now on the camera, if we go to the menu and we go to setup page 7, and we've got version, and we can see now that the camera is on version 2. Okay, so I hope that's helped you update your Sony A7 III. Obviously, it's always good to keep the firmware updated. That's why Sony make the updates, to improve certain settings and obviously to fix bugs. And again, don't forget, available in our store on our website are a vast selection of camera straps, available in different colours and different lengths. Right, thanks for watching. My name's Nathan. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. You've been watching The Photography Team.